Hello and welcome back to the Matchy Life YouTube channel. My name is Sav and this YouTube channel is all about the behind the scenes of my small business, Matchy Australia. As you guys hopefully already know, if you are new here, hi, welcome. I am so excited to get into this vlog because we are finally going to be making a new product alongside the general workshop vlog antics that we normally get up to. In this vlog, I'm also going to be designing and sampling a new product. I have it here with me right now. I am so excited for this product because it is probably at the moment my most requested product. A lot of people mistake the Kindle pouch that I already sell for this product. So yes, I am very excited to officially have iPad sleeves. And not just one, not two, but three, because iPads come in many sizes, which is partly why I haven't released cases for them. This is going to be the iPad mini and hopefully it's going to fit a Kindle as well. Of course, today is the day I didn't bring my Kindle with me to work, so I can't really test it out, but I'm confident it fits. This one is for the 11-inch iPad and this one is for your iPad Pro. I'm pretty sure it's 13 inches. I have my iPad Pro in it right now and it fits perfectly. I'm really excited for this release. This is the start of the journey. There's no if, buts, or maybes. This is how it all starts. It starts with a request from my audience. I draft a pattern, I sample it, and in this week, I have made the first samples, which is really exciting. The next stage after this is to make proper samples, finish the raw edges, attach the tags, because as you will see, this is just using scrap fabric. Hope you enjoy today's video. Please remember to subscribe if you are new here. Leave a comment with what you're up to, what you're crafting. Just let me know what you're doing. Have the best week and enjoy. Yeah.
We have an errand to run. I need to go to Coles because I just got my Amazon delivery that you guys saw me purchase last vlog. And I need to grab some things. I'm also going to get another coffee for the day because it's coffee time. Something really exciting has happened. I don't know if anyone feels this, but like when you feel a little bit down and unsettled.
An upholstery cleaner that tackles spills anywhere with ease.
When you feel like kind of unsettled with things, something always amazing happens. And yesterday I got a shout out in Catnip. She's on YouTube. I've literally watched her vlogs since the beginning of like my sewing journey. But Catnip, so Catherine, shouted me out in her vlog because she purchased from me and she was unboxing her parcel, and she like slyly mentioned a collab, and I'm just like, what do I do? Like, do I email her? Do I reach out? Do I wait for her to reach out to me? Do I have capacity for a Catnip collab? Because that would be so cute. Like, her illustrations are so cute. And collaboration is really important for businesses, especially when you're small. That's been happening this morning, which is super exciting.
So I got a loaf of bread. I brought my lunch today, but I also purchased some more quick and easy lunch meals just to have. I just got ham and cheese because I have ham and cheese toasties. I got 2-minute noodles in the winter time if I need like a 3 p.m. snack of food. They're really good. So my meals. Also purchased some yogurt, and then pretty much everything else is for the coffee thing. I got some apples. I'll just put them right there next to you. Don't eat them at once. And I had to switch to long life milk. I was getting fresh milk, but I just wasn't finishing it on my own quick enough. And of course I forgot my tote bag as I went there. Where did I put this loaf of bread? Why are you in the apples? Are you trying to eat the apples? How healthy of you. I hope, what I was going to say is I hope that the coffee thing actually did arrive, because you know with Amazon it like delivers them all at different times. Package. This is the command clips for the broom. Stunning. And what is this? This has to be, oh no guys, this has to be the coffee thing if it's arrived, and it's so small. Oh, it's so little. I guess that's kind of fine. I never check the measurements when it's because I was filming anyway. Nah, it'll be fine. Wow. By the end of this video, I am hoping to have more of an idea of the direction I want to take and the next product that we can launch. This is like the vision. We've got the iPad, Kindle, and as you guys already know, the laptop sleeve sits like that. So then it can be bundled together as like a tech pack kind of situation. I am going to work on the pattern on my computer right now. It's a lot of like maths and boring stuff. So I'll check back in when I've printed the pattern and then we can get to sewing a test pattern. Okay, we've got the templates for 3 different sizes. So this is the large, regular, and the mini. And I have a bunch of this pre-quilted Bella print that is basically scrap because I can't use it for my bags. And I've already traced around the mini. So I'll trace around the other 2 sizes now, and then we'll have something to sew. And now onto the large size. I keep looking at the large size thinking it's not much different to the laptop cases, but it actually is quite significantly different. Okay, now for the fun bit, I'm going to assemble everything together and see how we go. Piece number 2 is done, which is the mini, and it's looking pretty good. I actually think I like this as a Kindle case too, so I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm going to be honest, I actually have never had a pattern turn out this successful straight away. I'm really happy with how this looks. You have to keep an open mind because obviously like there's raw edges, there's no bias binding, it's all like zigzaggy and a bit mismatched, but that's okay because I know what I'm looking for. And essentially what I'm looking for is if the size is going to work and the pattern and the gusset like all works out, and it has. So I'm really happy. Like these are the 3 sizes that I've just made. I'm gonna put my iPad in it now and we'll take a look. So this is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, so 13 inch, and it's like perfect. So I'm really happy with that. Of course, this is the day that I literally looked at my Kindle on my bedside and was like, oh, I don't need to bring that today. But I should have brought it because I have a feeling it will fit perfectly in there along with an iPad mini. So because that is the current Kindle case and that's looking really good. And then I'll be able to downsize that if I wanted to do a smaller Kindle case as well. The only thing I don't know the size of is that middle 11-inch iPad. So what I'm going to do now is print off the actual sizes just on paper, stick them together and see if they are going to fit. Obviously there won't be any depth to it, but that doesn't really matter for now. But they are the 3 pouches. I think this is way more aligned with Matchy's brand, and I'm really excited to have like a set of 3 or just like different sizes in each. As you guys know, I just have the 1 size Kindle pouch. I just have the 1 size book sleeve. I just have the 1 size laptop sleeve, and this gives people a lot more variety. So I have printed out the size of all of the iPads just on A4 pieces of paper and cut it out. So they're obviously really thin, but it will give me an idea of size in respect to the pouch. For example, this is the iPad mini, and then this is the iPad mini pouch that I have made, and that is fitting really well. Then we've got the 11-inch iPad, So that's fitting perfectly. And then we've got the iPad Pro, which is this one here, my one, and that's fitting like amazing. I'm really happy with how this has worked out. The next option is to go to Officeworks after I've made a proper sample. And when I say proper sample, obviously I need to finish off these raw edges, and then I will have the lining attached as well. So once I've made the proper sample, I'll be able to go and test them at Officeworks with the actual iPad mini and 11-inch, etc. And then I think we've just had a successful pattern test for 3 iPad cases. This is really exciting, particularly because I have a feeling this is going to be a really good Kindle pouch. And then I'll be able to do it a few inches smaller for the normal Kindle, because this will be for the Paperwhite. Honestly, with this pattern, the possibilities are endless. So I'm really, really, really excited for this. I just got a delivery notification that the samples of the new prints that we workshopped together last week, they are on their way. That is going to be in next week's vlog, and I am so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to see them. I cannot wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next Monday. Bye, guys.